So welcome to Holden Clough. It's a beautiful nursery in the heart of the Ribble Valley. Anyway, here I am today teaching you how to make one of our natural handmade wreaths. We've got a white frame and then we're adding this rather beautiful natural moss, which just in itself is beautiful, doesn't need any adornment, but anyway, this is the background to our wreath. You need to do one at the top, one on the inside and one on the outside. Then all we do is wind the greenery onto the frame. We can add in, if there's any bare patches, you can add in that later. And then again, we go over the top. And then we just keep going all the way around. Okay, so now this is a lovely bit. We've got the beautiful background of our green, and all I'm doing now is making some little individual posies. And they can be just whatever you want. I'm using waxflower, spruce and eucalyptus, but you can do anything, holly, ivy, whatever's in your garden really. But this is how you add to it. And there's never a rule as to what you do. It's whatever you feel's right. So if you like a lot of decoration, that's fine. But I like them to keep them very simple and let the greenery be the star. So just winding it on. And then all you do is you look into your wreath, and where you've wound it, you've got wire. There's two pieces there. And all I'm doing is lifting it and tucking it in. Beautiful Stonyhurst tartan onto the wreath, and all I've done is wired it, and then you just stick it through. And there is the bow already.